Mustang Coupe. It's been a very fun day with you, Amanda.
It was very fun.
Yeah, good people out here, and we've offered a few videos for strictly for
Amanda here at Philly Showroom and Gateway Classic Cars.
and William Weeding for MustangMedic. Know that you're appreciated. There is an event that Amanda wanted to tell me about, and I'm planning on making it. Go ahead and tell them.
It's March 30th, and we're having an event. It's our Caffeine and Chrome. We have a lot of people and a lot of YouTubers coming out, so you're more than welcome to come out, have a cup of coffee. Maybe we might have some food vendors. Maybe you might have a car you want to sell. Maybe you won't. You might want to buy it.
And I'm planning on being there, so hope to see you there. And it's on the events page on my Facebook page for MustangMedic. If you're not on Facebook with MustangMedic, you're just watching the videos, I invite you to go over there. There's a lot of updates and a lot of things going on. And I also do know from Google Analytics that 60% of my views come through Facebook. So you're going to see me on Facebook a lot saying hi.
I'm definitely going to share it.
I appreciate that. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you. And until next time, be safe out there.